ọma na-ege ntị. My name is Nwada Amala, onye nkuzi Igbo, your Igbo teacher. Today, we will learn the Igbo words for family members and how to describe family relations. This will help to brush up your vocabulary and turn you into a good conversationalist. Before we delve into the main topic, I want us to learn how to personalize our words in Igbo by adding m at the end of the sentence, especially when talking about what belongs to oneself. You also add any, A-N-Y-I, when discussing things that belong to you and others, which are co-owned or group-owned. Example, nke means my own or mine. Akam, my hand. Ego, my money. Another example, nke anyị means our own. Aka anyị, our hands. Ego anyị, our money. This personalization is important when discussing things that are related to you, especially family members. The generic name for male, female, father, mother, child, children is male in Igbo is nwoke, female nwanyị, father nna or mpa, mother mma nne, children or kids ụmụaka or ụmụazị, child nwa. Let's repeat again. Male nwoke, female nwanyị, father nna or mpa, mother nne or mma, children or kids ụmụaka or ụmụazị, child nwa. Every other family member's name revolves around the father, mother, and child. If you are observant, you will notice that Igbo language comprises a lot of combination words. Example, brother. To get brother, it's nwa plus nne plus nwoke will give you nwanne m nwoke, which means male son of my mother or vice versa. Nwa plus nnem plus nwoke will give you nwanne m nwoke. Sister, nwa plus nnem plus nwanyị will give you nwanne m nwanyị, which translates to male son of my mother or vice versa. Siblings, ụmụ nnem, which means children of my mother. Maternal cousin, ụmụ nwanne mmam, which means children of my mother's sister. Paternal cousin, ụmụ nwanne mpam, which means children of my father's sister. Niece or nephew, nwa nwanne m nwoke or nwa nwanne m nwanyị, which means child of my brother or sister as the case may be. They are not differentiated by gender. Paternal grandma, nne nnam, which means mother of my father. Maternal grandma, nne nnem, which means mother of my mother. nne m ochie. Ochie means old, ancient. It can also be used in place of grandma, both maternal or paternal. But it's a generic term that can also be used to refer to any aged female in the family. So you can call your grandma nne m ochie. Paternal grandpa, nna nna m, which means father of my father. Maternal grandpa, nna nne m, which means father of my mother. We also have nna m ochie. As I said earlier, ochie means old, ancient. It can also be used in place of grandpa, both maternal or paternal. But it's a generic term that can also be used to refer to any aged male in the extended family. So you can call your grandpa, both maternal or paternal, nna m ochie. Grandchild, nwa m, which means my child's child. Nwa is used for both granddaughter and grandson. Wife, nwunye or nwunye m. Nwunye m is when you want to personalize it, my wife. Husband, di or dim, when you want to personalize it. In-law, ogo or ogom, when you want to personalize it. Mother-in-law, nne di or nne nwunye. Father-in-law, nna di or nna nwunye. Brother-in-law, ọgọ m nwoke. Sister-in-law, ọgọ m nwanyị. This brings us to the end of this lesson on the names of family members. See you in the next episode where we'll be talking about animal names in Igbo language. Cordino, see you again.